box right here, guys, costs $380, and it makes consumers up to $1,200 profit. And I want to break down exactly in this box what comes. This is our AirPod Wholesale Resellers Kit. This can be found on wesply.com. I'm going to do a complete unboxing. I'm going to break down exactly what I would do when I get this box for everyone that has already ordered. And I wish I could lift it up. But this is everything that comes in the box. And this box right here is guaranteed to give you not only inventory, but a business in a box when it comes to these headphones, all right? We have different color waves in this box. We also have some pods, we have some maxes, and I'm gonna break down exactly where you can get it from too. All right, so number one, if you guys don't know, I'm doing a giveaway November 20th. It will be on a live stream at 6 p.m. All you have to do is comment below. Now, I've seen some comments. I've seen people that have put down different things, and I appreciate it. This is what I want you guys to put down below. Have you guys ever sold any type of reps, clones, anything? Have you guys sold any type of pods? Let me know, because the giveaway that we will be having on November 20th is going to be giving away a free pair of these. Now, I have had a bunch of people talking about how they're starting their businesses, and I'm so overwhelmed with the amount of people that are interested in my company, wesply.com. And I just want to thank you guys. I want to take that moment just to thank you before any type of video where I'm talking about what we do. I would not be anything or be able to provide products without you guys. This is why I'm on YouTube. I'm not on YouTube to say I'm rich and I make $1 million. I'm on YouTube because I love wholesaling. That is something that I have dreamed of, and something I think that I embraced was up my alley, to be honest, right? It's something that I know, I don't necessarily love it, but it's something I have a gift for. Getting products, breaking down deals, making sure I fly in distributors, and this is a really good example. This is $380, and I'll tell you, it's really, really worth it, and we'll go over every colorway that you get. What is a reseller's kit, right? So a reseller's kit is something I created on my website for my business where I give you a bunch of products in one box. Now, the reason I had this and developed this was because as a reseller myself, I had issues being able to source multiple products at once without having to purchase 6 or 12. Now, what I mean is, if I was gonna go and I was gonna get some of the boo-boos, right? And I walked into a distributor, they would say I had to get 6 or 12 of these to get the wholesale discount. And that was kind of frustrating. So I created a 30-piece resellers kit, then I created a 50-piece resellers kit, and now I have different resellers kits that have different products in it so that you don't have randomized products if you don't want. Now, the biggest problem I tried to solve when it came to my resellers kits is not having to buy those quantities that wholesalers make you, right? One, my website, you don't need any business license or LLC or EIN. You don't need any reseller's permit. I remember when I first started my first phone store and I went into a wholesale local shop and they told me I couldn't even come in without a reseller's permit. So I had to go downtown and get one. Those were good procedures to learn, but I think that also it kind of hurts you because I needed to make money for rent. You know what I mean? Like, I'm being real with y'all. I had to make the bread. So it's like me trying to build, grow, and also profit while also trying to get that documentation was quite difficult. So when it comes to these kits, it's more so about getting quantity and being able to start, whether you're doing a pop-up shop, flea market, whether you're selling online, whether you're selling in person, whether you have your own phone store and need more inventory, we have your back, right? So I want to actually break down exactly why these pods are good, obviously, because of course, just to remind you guys, we don't have any Apple logos. And you know, I understand that a lot of people, this is new to, right? A lot of people don't understand this is not scamming, this is not fraudulent, this is not copyright, because we're not selling these as AirPod Maxes. And we're also not selling these as AirPod Gen 2s. That is not going to work, right? And I'm gonna tell you why, because I teach the right way. Now, I used to teach the wrong way. I'll be straight up. Like I used to say, all right guys, we're gonna sell this. No, because it's gonna get your account banned. You're not gonna keep your customer base. You have to understand that there's enough targets out there for us to hit that are going to accept that they don't want to pay that Apple price tag, and they're okay with not having the Apple logo, but having something that operates and actually looks just like Apple's product. And that's okay. How many of us have brought a knockoff? I do it a lot, right? So it's okay to be able to sell these and be able to put these in your store, or even sell these online without having to worry. Just to give you guys a heads up, I sold reps and I sold them in my store. I put them behind my cash register and they were replicas. And guess what? I got fined because you cannot sell those things in general. You can't, because it's mimicking Apple's product and that is against policy. But these don't mimic. Now, yes, they do look the same when it comes to the box, but they don't have the Apple verbiage, nor is the product imitating it, because it has little tweaks, little minute things that differentiate these things from the real item. And that is where we win. We have been able to gross over 5 digits with different students, and I'm talking about different. I'm talking about people that are out of the country and in the country. We know these work, and you guys should definitely make sure you're putting your money into products that aren't going to mislead customers, but instead bring you profit, but also make them comfortable. Okay, so let's unbox this thing, right? So we know we have the pods, and I'm going to take these out and show you what they look like in a second, but we also have the green ones, okay? Sorry guys, it's bright in here. The green ones, you guys see it, okay? We have green. This is all available. You have black, okay? You have like a reddish pinkish. I like this one. Black sells the most though, just to let you know. Black never fails. All right, you have blue, okay? Blue. Then you have gray, okay? These are the different colors. Now, for the rest, there's a bunch in here, obviously, right? These are all you get, all right? These are all you get, okay? These are all the maxes that you get. Yes, okay? Oh, no, it's another one, okay? And these are all the pods you get, okay? Oh, shit, okay. This is exactly what you're getting for $380. We're gonna talk about money. I don't know if this is a smart idea, buddy. Uh-oh. Oh, snap. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, this is all you get, okay? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have, oh crap, we got this one, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20, 10 of each. All right, now the reason these sell well is because these are able to be listed on every platform. Mercari, eBay, OfferUp, Facebook, Walmart Marketplace. These are wireless headphones. These are over-the-air wireless headphones. These are in-the-air wireless headphones. And these sell great. Let me remove these because this is starting to feel a little awkward now. Okay? All right, so let's talk about listing. Let's talk about earning potential. Let's talk about why would somebody even try to list these, right? Well, if we take a deep dive into the numbers speak for themselves. And I love risk, but I don't like uncalculated risk, right? I like to calculate my risk, right? So if we're looking at the headphones, now, number one, we know we're getting 20, but we know for a fact that we're going to be getting 10 of the maxes and 10 of the in-the-air headphones, right? So if we were to say, okay, the in-the-air headphones, which are going to be these right here, right? We're talking about these. Okay, these are going for, right now, we're selling them for anywhere between 45 to 60 right now. It's the holidays. Usually we were selling them from 60 to 90. The problem is that it's saturated now. Now people are starting to actually start doing deals, right? So we have to too. So Black Friday's coming up. All of these deals are coming up, so it's important that you actually take advantage. So we're gonna say 45 to 50, okay? So $50 times the 10, that's going to obviously make you 500, excuse me, and then the 45 times 10 is going to make you 450, okay? And this is going to be a benefit because, again, that is more than what you're kicking out for the box. So when I designed this box, I think one of the most important things for me is you get more than you put in. Remember, you initially paid $380 for this. Okay, so you're literally making a $70 profit just off of the pods, the in-ear headphones. Now, why is that beneficial? Well, it's beneficial because when you're looking to actually start selling, growing, and most importantly, profiting, you have to make sure that your risks are calculated and that you're doing the numbers, and also that you are making up what you spent faster than you could actually project. So, and what I mean by that, because I'm trying to articulate what I learned in the past to you guys now. When I invested in products, I would always project that I would make my money back, but sometimes in certain products, I wouldn't make my money back within the 30-day frame that it would take to make rent. You know what I mean? So think about it like this. You order a reseller's kit, but you think this reseller's kit is gonna pay your rent, right? For your store or whatever. And you're hoping that you get a certain amount of units sold before the 30th. Well, what I found is that that's not always the case. So what you want to make sure is that half of whatever you invested in will make up for whatever expense you spent out already, so that then you have another half to make up profit. So we already know the pods are going to make us bread, right? So when we go to when we go into making that $70 from the pods, great. But now we got the over-the-ear headphones, which are these. Okay, and these right here are going to make us money too, obviously. So these are selling, we're literally right now selling these for $75, but I would even project lower just for Black Friday. Let's do 65 times 10, that's obviously $650, right? Plus, now this is all profit because remember, we already took the $380 out for the pods. So we got to plus the 70 that we made profit. So the total profit that you're making, if you're literally basing it off of this small metric and this small scale, is $720. But if you then put in what you invested, obviously, which is the $380, that's where you get to $1,100. And it's other little tactics that you could do. Like prime example, the Maxes, I usually sell these for $80, prime example. 80 times 10 is 800. The pods, you can sell them for anywhere between 60 to 90 if you want. These are all different price points that you can utilize. The point that I'm making is you're always going to make your money back. It's just more so about if you're doing Black Friday deals, if you're just selling them regular to consumers, if you're doing pop-up shops, if you're selling them on Poshmark, Etsy, wherever you want to sell these, you can. Now, I said Poshmark because I have a video coming out with a Labubu thing I got going on with Poshmark. Like, Poshmark is killing the game for me with Labubus. I will do a video showing you guys exactly what I got going, but let me let you guys know this. Poshmark has paid my card note for around 3 months so far because they started to allow you to list electronics. And again, that is something that I think is mind-blowing. There's so many different platforms that are starting to allow us to sell electronics on there, and we have to take advantage. So definitely make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see that video. But back to these are going to be very, very, very vital. And this box right here is available. It's available on wesply.com. So before I go, now I'm going to make a video of me actually showing you guys and breaking down what these look like right after this video, and I'm gonna put it out the next day after I release this. So it's going to be out tomorrow, okay? But this is going to be a video where I actually unbox them. I'm not going to unbox them right now because I don't want this video to be too long. But this is how you get this little reseller's kit, right? Now, remember, this is a big bomb box, okay? And I ain't even charging y'all all that for shipping. It's $650 for shipping. It costs me $40 to ship this to wherever I'm shipping. So I eat some of the cost with this, just to let y'all know, because I got y'all. All right, I want you guys to succeed. Now, you go to wesply.com, go to shop, go to reseller's kit, and then you go to specialty kits, okay? And then you're gonna go to AirPod clone resellers kit. We usually sell it for $500. It's $380 right now. You go ahead and then you just purchase, and as you see, you get 10 AirPod Gen 2, 10 Max, okay? And this is a really, really good deal, guys. This is something that I recently released. It's something I know you guys can profit from. If you guys have any questions, definitely don't hesitate to go ahead. My Instagram, if you need to message me privately, is Hustler Taught Me on Instagram. And also, if you guys need, comment below. I got y'all. I'm always looking at my comments and I will respond. Trust me, if you want to get into the giveaway, comment below. Make sure you subscribe too. And just comment exactly if you ever sold pods. You could be like, yeah, I sold pods before. No, I didn't sell pods before. And I'm going to respond, hey, blah, 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 great. You're in the giveaway. Or, hey, welcome. Thank you for commenting. You're now entered into the giveaway. Like, I'll let you guys know, all right? Thank you guys so much for watching, man, and thank you for supporting me and giving me a little bit of your time, and I'll see you guys in the next video.